Hello, good morning everyone. Today we are going to study a class 5 EVS NCERT book. Lesson 3 from testing to digesting. This is our second video of this lesson. Page number 28. Let's start our story. The story is about Nitus. Nitus, she was very sick. And all day she was vomit and she had loose motion. Okay, and she had a loose motion also. She ate whatever she ate, she vomit all. And her father gave her sugar and salt solution. By evening, Nitu was feeling very weak and dizzy. When she got up to go to the doctor, she fainted. Her father had to carry her to the doctor. The doctor said that Nitu should get admitted in the hospital. She needed to given a glucose drip. Hearing this, Nitu got confused. She knew that during the games period in the school, the teacher sometimes give them glucose to drink. But what was the glucose dip? Nitu asked, and Dr. Santi explained to the Nitu, your stomach is upset. Your body is not keeping any food and water, and it has become a very weak. The glucose drip will give you some stress quickly, even without eating. The next, page number 29. The next you have a poem where you read the story of Martin. Martin, who is a soldier. When he was shot in his belly and he got seriously hurt. Dr. Beaumont was called to treat him. After 1.5 years, the wound had healed, but they left a big hole in his stomach. The hole was covered with the loose flip of skin. Dr. Beaumont felt his had found a treasure. He did many experiments to find out how food is digested in stomach. What all things are present inside our stomach and all about digesting. At the time, scientists did not know how food was digested. How does the liquid in our stomach help in digestion? Does the liquid help in making the food wet and soft? Or does it also help in many other ways? Dr. Beaumont did so many experiments. What he did, he took out some liquid out of the stomach. He wanted to see what will happen to eat a food item kept in a glass filled with the digested juice. So that is why he took out some juice outside of Martin's stomach and did this experiment. What did he did? He took out some digestive juice at around 8:30 a.m. Okay, 8:30 a.m. He put 20 pieces of boiled fish in 10 milliliters of the juice in the glass tube, and then he observed that at 2 p.m. around 2 p.m. he found that all the pieces of fish had dissolved inside the glass tube. Dr. Bimon tried this experiment with different food items. He gave Martin the same food at the same time and then compared how long it took for food to be digested in the glass and in Martin's stomach. He recorded his observation in a table. Here is a part of this observation table. Just like see here, one table is given, number of food items taken of the time for the digestion, okay? In the stomach, in the glass with the digestive juice. Number 1 is the unboiled milk. In stomach, 2 hours 15 minutes it will take. In the glass with digestive juice, 4 hours and 45 minutes. Boiled milk, it will take 2 hours, and in the glass with digestive juice, 4 hours and 15 minutes. Full boiled egg, half boiled egg, it will take inside the stomach, it took less time, whereas outside the stomach in took almost double the time. You can see. So what magical is there inside the stomach? Okay. Inside the stomach, the same food along with the same digestive juice will take only less time. Okay. So what does our stomach do? Dr. Bimon did many experiments and found out many secrets about digestion. He found that food digests faster in the stomach than outside. Do you notice this in table? Yes, we have noticed that. And our stomach, the churns. What do you mean by churns? Churns means to mix something very violently, very vigorously, just like our or your mother have seen mother churning milk to take out the cream out of it. Similarly, our stomach also churns the food so that is get properly mixed with digestive juice, and the food will get easily digested. Okay. Dr. Berman also found out the digested juice are acidic in nature. Like it is little acidic. Have you heard anybody talking about the acidity? Why this happen? This happen when some persons have not eaten well or the food is not digested properly. That time the digestive juice inside our belly is short to the rest, and then the digestive juice are very high amount. Then it create acidity in our stomach and we feel burning kind sensation in our stomach, that is called a acidity. Did you understand, everyone? Next story we will read in next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.